Now we're going to preheat our oven and prepare our pan. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. The pan we're using is a 9 by 3-inch springform pan. It's called a springform pan because it opens up and the bottom can be removed. This makes it easier to take a torte cake out. The way we prepare it is, for this cake, so we're going to put a piece of silver foil and just cover the bottom of that pan and fold it all in all around. And then you put the springform edge back on the pan and tighten it up. And then just push the pan down to make sure it's in there good. And then we'll spray that with a little bit of pan spray. Spray the edges and the bottom. Not too heavy. Okay. And then just to make sure that our pan doesn't leak, because the batter is a little bit loose, I'm going to put one more piece of foil on the bottom like this and just gather it around the pan. Okay. Now our pan is ready.